this video, I am going to explain chaining a line. Chaining a line. So how the chaining is done? To chain a line, two persons are essentially required. For doing a chaining, how many persons are required? Two persons are required for doing a chaining. The first person is known as leader. The first person is known as leader, and second person is known as a follower. The first person who pull the chain onto the ground in the forward direction is called leader. What is the work of the leader? For pull the chain on the ground surface. For pulling the chain on the ground, we are using the leader is used. What is the work of the leader? He is used for pulling the chain onto the ground surface in the forward direction. Next, what is the work of the follower? The second person follower who hold the rear end of the chain is called follower. The follower hold the rear end of the chain. So these are the works of the leader and follower. While chaining a line, the follower play an important role, and all the other measurements are taken mainly dependent on the judgment and careful observation of the follower. While doing the chaining, the measurements, this follower having a very important role. The follower has a very important role. What is the work of the follower? He should carefully calculate all the observations and he have to record. Based upon the follower decision only, the surveying is carried out. Hence, the follower should be well known about the chain survey, so that the follower should have all the knowledge related to the chain survey. So, chaining a line means, for chaining a line, usually two persons are required. The first person is leader. What is the work of the leader? The work of the leader is used for pulling the chain onto the ground surface in forward direction. This is the work of the leader. The work of the follower is used for holding the rear end of the chain. When compared to both leader and follower, the follower having an important role in the survey, because based upon the follower decision only, the whole survey can be done. Okay, so this is about chaining a line. Now we are going to discuss what are the duties of follower and what are the duties of a leader. So first of all, I am going to discuss about duties of a leader. So what are the duties of leader? The duties of leader is to pull the chain in the forward direction. As we told, the first work of leader is to pull the chain in the forward direction. For pulling the chain in the forward direction, this is one of the duty of leader. The second duty of leader is to carry arrows and ranging rod. Carry arrows and ranging rods. Third is to fix the arrow at end of every chain length. Fix arrow at end of chain length. And the fourth duty of leader is to obey the instructions of follower. Means what are the instructions given by the follower? That instruction should be obeyed by the leader. Obey the instruction of the follower. So these are the duties of a leader. What are the duties? To pull the chain in the forward direction, to carry the arrows and ranging rod, to fix the arrow at the end of the chain length, and to obey the instructions of follower. These are the duties of leader. Next is, what are the duties of follower? What are the duties of follower? To direct the leader at the time of ranging. The duty of follower is to direct the leader. Whenever we are doing the ranging, for directing the leader, the follower work is done. To carry the rear handle of the chain. Rear handle of chain. For carrying the rear handle of the chain. And to pick up the arrow inserted by leader after every chain length. To pick up arrow inserted by the leader. For pick up the arrow inserted by the leader after every chain length. To give necessary instructions to leader. Last duty of follower is to give instructions to leader. So these are the duties of follower. What are the duties? To direct the leader at the time of ranging, to carry the rear handle of a chain, to pick up the arrow inserted by leader after every chain length, and to give necessary instructions of the leader. So these are the duties of a leader and duties of a follower. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to friends.